So basically what you're going to see and discuss together now is a first numerical model and numerical analysis for frequency simulations, a second numerical model for dynamic incremental simulations under repeated impacts, and a third model with some very simple but efficient thermal considerations about cooling and thermal gradient. These three steps are totally different and are able to provide each one some important feedback about the post-fracture performance of glass. For sure, we are talking about a very simplified approach that we use to integrate and expand experimental observations. There are many other options in terms of material characterization, damage modeling, damage propagation, and so on that will be used in next applications.